We've made our business successful by focusing on one person at a time. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share some great feedback. Take a look. Great experiences like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of satisfaction possible. Making everyone happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. And we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is our biggest priority, and we'll work very hard to get it. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.